Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the BBMA indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the BBMA indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 44 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 502 indicators, with 207 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos, see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the BBMA indicator, so Bollinger Band with moving average. And you can see it here on screen. This is actually a modified version where I went in and changed some settings. So if I do this, this is what it traditionally looks like right here. And so what I did was I went in and, like I said, made a few modifications. You can see right here. This is what I did. So I turned off those settings, the MA there, and the mid, top, and low. And then I bumped up these the areas here, the opacity on these areas to 50 there. So this one 50, that one 50, 50, and 50. There we go. That brings it out just a tad bit more like this. And so basically what is created is a channel here that we're going to work with. And what we are looking for is when price action breaks down below this channel or this lower cloud here, then we are going to go short. When price action breaks out above this upper cloud here, then we are going to go long. So that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so our first signal is a short right here. As this big long red candle breaks to the downside of this little cloud on the bottom. This long wick on this candle right here comes down, hits our take profit, getting us that trade really nice there. Then over here we pick up a long as this smaller green bar here breaks to the upside, get a tad bit of a pullback, then a move back up into the market or up to the upside there, getting us to take profit on that one as well. So let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so right here on this one, we pick up another long signal, same kind of setup there, getting us to take profit once again. And over here, we pick up another short, a kind of a small red candle right there, breaking below that band, and price action continues to push down, once again, getting us to take profit. Alright, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, excuse me, indicators that they're using, exactly when they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. And that shows exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. We've recently had that transferred over into an Excel sheet as well, and so it'll be a little bit easier to use that information. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all those indicators. You also get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos and those individual strategies. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at our indicator here. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So we have 38 trades all together. All right, let's go ahead and count out our winners and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So unfortunately, that is not going to make the 60% criteria. Now, this is one of the few losing indicators that I would say you should probably keep an eye on, play with it, tweak some settings, tweak the stops and the take profits, maybe stuff like that, and see what you can get out of it that way, because I feel like it has some really decent potential to be a really good indicator. And so this might just be a matter of tweaking things just a tad bit. Of course, we're going to go ahead and put it on the no list. But for for those viewers out there who comment, that I reply back to and say, just because it's a losing indicator does not mean that it is a useless indicator. This would be one of those examples of what I mean. And so, all right, that's it for this video. Like I said, this one is going to go on the no list, but I will be playing around with this in my spare time personally. And we will move on to the next indicator from here.